Back on the Beetle today, we're going to be doing the patch panels for the front heater, defroster, channel, hose thingy right there. That thing, so we're going to be doing the patch on both the driver and the passenger side. Let's get to work. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get a spray can, little spray can here. Spray up just the insides of the heater tube, defroster, channel thing up in this area there, so that doesn't get rusted out, because once we put the replacement panel on here, not going to be able to access all this area there. So we're going to spray that up and then get to work replacing the panel. So we're going to spray both sides and get to work. Alright, spray can restoration complete. Alright, so real quick, here's what the patch panel looks like. As you can see, I just grinded the spots where it's going to be welded onto the fender. So there you go, going to get it welded in right now so you can see what that looks like. "7,000 years later, got both the patch panels in on the driver and passenger side. I'm going to take a walk around and show you what it looks like. Alright, here we are, passenger side. Got that front panel in. Still needs a little bit of Bondo and some metal work still to go, but she's in there. And as you can see on this side, got the driver's side panel in. So both sides are good to go. Like I said, still needs a little bit of metal work, Bondo work on the inside. Next step is going to be take the steering wheel, the seat, pedal assembly out, start Bondoing everything up, and painting the interior, and that'll be the next step. That'll do it for this episode. Thanks you guys for watching. See you next time.